Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your EVS class. Today we are going to study about the chapter that is festival. In that chapter we have studied about some concept, what is festival, how we celebrate festival, okay. So what kind of sweets we are doing at the time of festival, these all things we have discussed in the last class only. So and with that we have discussed about 3 festival, okay. So in today's class we are going to discuss about again 3 festival, that is Holi, Guru Purab and Buddha Jayanti. About these we are going to discuss in today's class. So the first one, that is Holi, and the second one Guru Purab, third one Buddha Jayanti, okay. So the first one, that is Holi. Here in this concept they have given Lata and neighbors, okay. Lata and her neighbors. See, Holi is the festival of colors, all of you know that, okay. Holi is the festival of colors. Here we spray the colored powder or water on each other and we enjoy that day, okay. So here they have given the Lata and neighbors. See, on the day of Holi, Lata and her neighbors, they are celebrating the Holi. See in the picture how they are celebrating. They are spraying the colored powder and water on each other, okay. Here on the day of Holi, they are celebrating the Holi. And obviously you know Holi is the festival of colors, and this festival is celebrated for 2 to 3 days, okay. This Holi festival is celebrated for 2 to 3 days, okay. And this festival is celebrated in the spring season, okay. This festival is celebrated in the spring season. Spring season means where it is comes in between summer season and the. So here this spring season which comes in between the summer season and winter season, on such kind of season we call it as the spring season. On this spring season we celebrate the festival. And here on that day what we done, we will spray the color powder and water carefully on each other. Remember the word carefully. So we should spray the colors and water carefully, okay. You should not harm their ears, eyes and mouth, nose, all those things, is it? So what you have to do, we have to spread the color powder or it may be a water carefully on each other. And we also greet on that day everyone, that is Happy Holi, is it? So we greet everyone as Happy Holi, okay. We also wish all our family members, friends and our neighbors as the Happy Holi, okay. So this is about the Holi. Here in Holi they have given Lata and neighbors family. They are celebrating the Holi by spraying the colored powder and water carefully on each other, by greeting everyone Happy Holi. They are celebrating the Holi, and this festival is celebrated for 2 to 3 days, and this festival is celebrated in spring season, and this Holi is the festival of colors, okay. So hope you understood how we celebrate Holi and how Lata and neighbors they are celebrating the festival Holi, okay. So by seeing the picture you can understand what is the Holi, how we play the Holi, okay. So after Holi the next thing, that is Guru Purab. Next thing, that is Guru Purab. Here they have given the family of Dhamanjit. Dhamanjit, they have given the family name, okay. How the Dhamanjit family they are celebrating the Guru Purab. See, Guru Purab is nothing but it is a birthday of Guru Nanak. Then who is Guru Nanak? Why we celebrate the Guru Nanak Jayanti? Because he is the first Sikh Guru. Okay, Guru Nanak is the first Sikh Guru. So that's why we celebrate the birthday of Guru Nanak as Guru Purab. Okay, here Damanjit come to the Gurudwara with his parents. Okay, the Damanjit and his parents, they come to the Gurudwara, and they are wearing a new cloth for celebrating Guru Purab. For celebrating the Guru Purab festival, what they are doing? They are wearing the new cloths. Okay, they are preparing a different kind of food, different kind of sweets. Okay, and they will have a special prayer at Gurudwar. Okay, at Gurudwar they have a special prayers, that how you pray to the God, that God bless me, God bless our parents, bless our friends, our family. Is it? So like that only here Damanjit and their parents are praying at the Gurudwar. And here the Lanjas have organized during the Guru Purab, in which everyone is welcome to eat the food served. Okay, so they have given here the food festival also. In that festival everyone is welcome to eat the food served. Okay, so you also, any function is there in your home, at that time you also welcome all the neighbors, your relatives and friends to having the food. Okay, so like that only in this the Guru Purab festival, the Damanjit family, they organized a food festival. In that festival all the neighbors, all the friends, all the family members, they gathered to eat the food served. Okay, so like this they are celebrating the Guru Purab. You just understood why we celebrate Guru Purab. Okay, only this much is enough for you. Here Guru Purab is celebrated for the birthday of Guru Nanak. And who is Guru Nanak here? Guru Nanak is the first Sikh Guru. Okay, and on that day we wear new clothes for celebrating the Guru Purab. And here Damanjit and his parents, they go to the Gurudwara, and when they go to the Gurudwara, at that time they will have a special prayer at Gurudwara. Was it? Is it? And they also organize a food festival. In that food festival is they are welcoming all the neighbors, all the friends and relatives for having the food. Okay, so like this here Guru Purab is celebrated by the Damanjit family. Okay, so after Guru Purab, next that is Buddha Jayanti. Next that is Buddha Jayanti. Here they have given the example of Druki family. They have given the example of Druki family. Here Buddha Jayanti means, why we celebrate Buddha Jayanti here? This is the birthday of Buddha. This is the birthday of Lord Buddha. Here they have given Druki family. Then what Druki is doing? See, Druki hanging a small colored flags around the banyan tree outside the temple. See, this is the temple, and outside the temple what Druki is doing? Druki, he is doing what? He is hanging a small, these are the small colored flags around the what? Around banyan tree. Okay, and here after that what happened? His mother, Druki's mother, she is lighting a candles in front of the statue of Buddha in the temple. Okay, in temple what his mother is doing? His mother is doing what? She is lighting the candles in front of the statue of Buddha. Okay, in the temple there is a presence of Buddha's statue. In front of that statue his mother lighting the candles. Okay, so that's why she is not seeing for us. So that's why she is not seeing. Okay, so she is there in a temple. In front of the statue, she is lighting the candles. Okay, in front of which statue? In front of the statue of Buddha. Okay, and they are celebrating the Buddha Jayanti. So like this they are celebrating the Buddha Jayanti. How they are celebrating? Here Druki hanging a small colored flags around the banyan tree outside the temple, and his mother, she is lighting candles in front of the statue of Buddha in temple, and like this they are celebrating the Buddha Jayanti. Okay, so why we celebrate Buddha Jayanti here? This is the birthday of Lord Buddha, is it? So like this here Druki family, they are celebrating the Buddha Jayanti. Hope you understood whatever we have discussed in this class. We have discussed in this class about 3 festivals, that is Holi, Guru Purab and Buddha Jayanti. So what is Holi here? Holi is the festival of colors. Here Lata and neighbors they are celebrating the Holi, and this festival is celebrated for 2 to 3 days, and this is celebrated in the spring season, this season which comes in between the summer season and winter season. And on that day we spray the colored powder and water carefully on each other, and we greet everyone as the happy Holi. Next, that is Guru Purab. Here they have given the family of Damanjit family. So why we celebrate Guru Purab here? Guru Purab is the birthday of Guru Nanak. It is the birthday of Guru Nanak. And who is Guru Nanak here? Guru Nanak is the first Sikh Guru. So that's why we celebrate the birthday of Guru Nanak as the Guru Purab. And here Damanjit and his family, they went to the Gurudwara, and they will have the special prayer at the Gurudwara. Okay. So and they are also organized a food festival. On that festival they are inviting all the neighbors, all the family and friends to eat the food served. So like that they are celebrating the Guru Purab. Next thing, that is Buddha Jayanti. It is the birthday of Buddha. Okay, so how the Druki family celebrating the Buddha Jayanti? Here Druki, he is doing what? He is hanging a small colored flags around the banyan tree. You can see in the picture. Outside the temple it is there. Okay, and his mother, she is lighting a candles in front of the statue of Buddha, which is that statue is present in the temple. In front of the statue of Buddha, what she is doing? She is lighting a candles in front of the statue of Buddha, which is present in the temple. So like this they are celebrating the Buddha Jayanti. Okay. So dear student, hope you understood whatever we have discussed 3 festivals in this class, that is Holi, Guru Purab and Buddha Jayanti. So we will stop here only. In the next class we are going to discuss about the remaining 3 festivals. Okay. Till that, dear student, watch this video once, twice, go through the textbook. If you find any difficulty regarding this chapter, you can contact me. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Till that, dear students, bye bye, take care.